How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cables here, and then you'll have your connector. And this is to be used with our optional SIG plug, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. Now when you're using our optional SIG plug, you do have two power modes here. So if you flip your power switch up, you'll be in power mode 1, and if you flip it down, you'll be in power mode 2. So this allows you to program up to 2 flash pattern memories. And then you also have your flash pattern toggle switch here to change patterns. Now let's go over those features. So for example here, I brought an amber clear multicolor unit, and I am using my optional SIG plug. So you'll see I have my power mode 1, and then I can flip down to my power mode 2, and you'll notice that I can have a flash pattern programmed for each of those modes, and then I can use my flash pattern toggle switch to change patterns. And each of these modes have their own memory recall, so I can easily swap between power mode 2 or back to power mode 1. Or if I put my power switch in the middle, you'll see my light bar will go off. And then in the cable harness, we also have the power mode 1 and power mode 2 cables here if you would like to hardwire. And now we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. So let's go over a few of those. So for example here, I brought a green clear, a red blue, and a red blue amber tricolor configuration. But again, we offer all of these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And we even have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you need a custom setup for your vehicle. Now you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them with the dual memory recall. Now a really cool feature on our multicolor bars is you can run your bars in their multicolor, primary, or secondary colors with the built-in flash patterns. So for example here, I have our red, blue, amber tricolor configuration, and in power mode 1, I'm in multicolor. And then in power mode 2, I went ahead and cycled to my red-blue flash patterns and programmed that pattern there. And then I can easily cycle that to my amber flash patterns if I would like to, which would be my secondary color on this unit. So you'll see amber there. So then I can cycle back to my power mode 1, saving the multicolor, and then I can cycle down to the amber flash patterns there as well. So you'll see you have plenty of functionality whether you run in multicolor, your primary color, or your secondary color individually. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, which you can adjust along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack bracket, which you'll mount using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers our MultiColor K-Force 18 linear. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive players right beneath the main product pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.